Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this chocolatey, smoky, bronzed eye look. I created this look using a lot of Kathleen Lights X ColourPop items. I am super excited to share with you how I got this look. It was super easy to do. I loved all of the products that I put on my face. I love anything that Kathleen Lights makes, and I am obsessed with ColourPop products. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, please go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and already primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And now I'm going to go into the Kathleen Lights ColourPop The Goat Loose Pigment, which looks so beautiful. I'm super excited to play with this. I didn't get all of the loose pigments, but I got a few of the colors that I know that I will use on like a daily basis. And this one looks right up my alley. Just look how beautiful that pigment is. Gorgeous. Cannot wait to get this all over my eye. So I'm just going to go in with this flat little brush right here. This is the Morphe M421 brush. I'm just going to pick some up on my brush, just like that. I'm going to wet it with my ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. Now I'm just going to go in and see what this looks like. Ooh. So brown and chocolatey. Ooh, I really like this. Look at how beautiful that is. Ooh. Now it's all gonna come together. I'm going to put a shade in my crease here. So don't get too thrown off by this look. It's all going to come together, I promise you. Right, now that I have our lid shade down, I'm going to go into the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights. And I'm going to take this shade right here called Shooting Star and just pop that into my crease. I don't really want to do a lot of things to this look because I really want that focus to be on my lid. So I'm just going to just put that in there just to kind of blend the edges of our lid shade out. And for the moment, we are done with our eyes. So now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and remove some of this fallout. You want to make sure that you definitely don't do your face makeup before applying one of those pigments because it can be very, very messy. And now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've really been loving this primer. It just smooths out your skin and leaves it so poreless. I've been using this literally non-stop. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This foundation is so bomb. I am in love with it. It just looks so smooth on the skin. I love it so much. Now I'm going to go under the eyes with this ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 8. This is one of my very favorite concealers. It is so affordable and it's just so creamy and smooth on the skin. I am in love with it. Alright, now I'm going to quickly set the face with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I'm just going to set my face so that we don't crease. And I'm also going to set the rest of my face with it, but I'm going to use one of these little velour puffs to do it. Right, now I'm going to quickly finish up my eyes. I'm going to go back into my Dream Street palette. I'm going to mix this shade Shooting Star with Elfish to smoke out my lower lash line, just to really get like that sexy bronzy eye look going on. Now I'm quickly going to highlight my inner corner with this shade right here called Moony. Now I'm going to go in with the new ColourPop Volumizing Mascara. This one is a total dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara. Like, look at that wand. It is identical. And I'm quickly going to take my Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in Earthquake. It's just like a really nice brown color and it stays on your waterline forever. Now I'm quickly going to finish up my face makeup with you guys. I'm just going to be taking the Thrive Cosmetics Rhea bronzer. I'm just going to go in with my big fluffy brush and start bronzing. And now I'm going to be taking my Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. It's this really beautiful brown blush color. I'm in love with this color. It's so beautiful. And it's also a favorite of Kathleen Light's. And now I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in On the Cusp. This is from Kathleen Light's Zodiac collection. This is such a beautiful highlight. It is just a tad bit too deep for me, but I wear it anyways because it's so beautiful. I'm quickly just going to do my brows. I'm just gonna quickly run this Essence Make Me brow gel through my eyebrows just to kind of give them a little bit of life. And now I'm going to put the ColourPop What's Your Sign lipstick on. This is also from Kathleen Lights' Zodiac collection. And I'm going to top that with the Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. This is also a collab by Kathleen Lights. This is from her Dream Street collection. And these two just pair so beautifully together. And now I'm going to set my face with the ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!